Portable air conditioners are one of the best ways to ensure that you can stay comfortable in your home, even on the hottest of days. Whether you're looking for something simple and effective or something more advanced and powerful, we have you covered. In this video, we'll go over some of the best portable air conditioners on the market in 2023. We'll discuss their features, performance, and pricing so that you can make an informed decision when it comes to which one to buy. With our help, you'll be able to stay cool and comfortable no matter the weather. Number 1. Serene Life Portable Air Conditioner. The next entry on our list is the Slepack 10 Portable Air Conditioner from Serene Life. One of the great things about this unit is its size. It's much more compact and space-saving than some of the bigger, bulkier AC units out there, but it's still got plenty of cooling power underneath its hood. With 10,000 BTUs of cooling potential, this portable air conditioner is suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, and other spaces around the house, and it shouldn't let you down in most small or mid-sized rooms. It comes with a built-in dehumidifier for those hot and sticky days, as well as fan and sleep modes to help you stay cool and drift off into a peaceful sleep. With so many useful functions and so much impressive technology under its hood, this portable air conditioner easily takes the top spot on this list. Number 2. DeLonghi Portable Air Conditioner. Boasting 14,000 BTUs of power, this portable AC unit can cool down even the largest living spaces and open-plan areas of up to 700 square feet in total. Balance temperature and humidity. Industry-exclusive Eco-Real Feel technology provides an unmatched level of comfort, securing the ideal balance between temperature and humidity while saving up to 30% in energy consumption. With Eco-Real Feel, the EX390 oven monitors your surrounding climate to optimize comfort and efficiency. It cools and dries the air, turning any room into your ideal comfort zone. This portable air conditioner has a sleek, futuristic design that won't stand out or ruin the aesthetic of your home, and it comes with various modes and features, including a dehumidifier and energy-saving modes. Number 3. Winter Portable Air Conditioner. Looking for a portable air conditioner that does more than simply cool down the air? Then you might be interested in the ERC14S Portable Air Conditioner from Winter. It comes with an activated carbon filter, doubling as an air conditioner and air purifier in one sleek, two-tone package. Portable AC air conditioner with dehumidifier features a cooling range of 500 square feet and 3 operational modes: air conditioner, fan, or dehumidifier. Thanks to the presence of its filter, this portable air conditioner can effectively purify the air you breathe, getting rid of unwanted odors and elements and making your home a safer and more pleasant place to be. It's also quite powerful, and it can handle rooms of around 500 square feet. This portable air conditioner even has dehumidifying modes and a 24-hour programmable timer for your utmost cooling convenience. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Portable Air Conditioner. One of the issues that many people encounter with portable air conditioners is that they just don't have enough power to cope with big rooms or large living spaces, but that's not the case with this portable air conditioner from Black Plus Decker. With casters on the bottom and side handles on this small air conditioner, this air cooler and portable AC 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner can be moved from room to room without hassle. This portable air conditioner has 14,000 BTUs of power and some of the top technology in the business, so it's more than capable of cooling spaces of up to 700 square feet. It also happens to be a 3-in-1 unit, so not only does it function as an air conditioner, but it's also capable of dehumidifying or operating as a fan on milder days. The icing on the cake? This portable air conditioner comes with a handy remote control and a full installation kit. Number 5. Ivation Portable Air Conditioner. Last but certainly not least, we have this impressive smart air conditioner from ivation. The first thing to note about this model is that it has Wi-Fi technology, which means you can connect this portable air conditioner to your home's Wi-Fi network and control its settings on your smartphone. All you have to do is download its corresponding app onto your device. High-capacity unit delivers 13,000 BTUs/HR, ASHRAE rating, and 8,500 BTUs/HR, SAC rating, making it perfect for rooms up to 500 square/foot including living room, bedroom, kitchen, office, RV or studio apartment. Versatile settings allow you to cool, dehumidify, and circulate air. With 13,000 BTUs, this portable air conditioner is powerful enough to handle most spaces, such as apartments and open-plan living areas. It also has a dehumidifier and a fan mode, and it comes complete with all the necessary accessories you'll require for an easy, stress-free installation.